go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
You know what to do now, let's go.
Shake it, let's go. Let's go, 1, 2, let's go. Let's go, 1, 2, let's go. Let's go, 1, 2, let's go.
The first time that I went to Canada, my sister, Amara, Timmy Beans, Akara, Shakara, relationship, Scatara, Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most important moment in all of our history. Right here today, I want to introduce to you one of the most amazing individuals in the whole world. All the way from Ravens Gate into Monarch, London in Africa, made your way to West Africa, London in Nigerian, all the way from Mumbai, ladies and gentlemen. I want to give you tonight the most quintessential couple, the undisputed couple, the couple of the year, the couple of the century, the couple of the millennium. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the greatest queen, the empress, the prince and his princess. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise, make some noise, make some noise, as I give you
Let's go, I'm on a belly. Let's go, 1, 2, let's go. Okay. Let's go, 1, 2, let's go.
OT and Mercy, ladies and gentlemen, 2023. That's the energy, let's go one time. Who be your guy? Tim and his guys, Missy and her ladies. Simple. So you're going to choose the song you want to dance to. But the beautiful part of it is that you guys will not dance your steps, the steps you want. You will allow Tim, any step he's doing, that's exactly what you will do. If he does backflip and back tumble and leaves the hall, you will also do backflip, back tumble, join him and leave, alright? The same to Messi, you guys are going to be doing only what she's doing. Don't add your own flavor. Is that okay? Do we agree? Alright, so it is usually said what, ladies? Abi, so Messi, which song do you want the DJ to play for you? You should play any song. Any song that you can dance to. Alright, let me have all of you. Can you guys shape up a little bit for me so that we can see them? And the people that dream money, please, thank you very much. You can do that later. So I want to hype the bride, eh? So what do you guys say? Is it or hey? Or what do you guys will respond? Is it I want to hear the well. Ladies and gentlemen, the most beautiful woman in the world. This no get, we don't get vibe. I said the most beautiful woman in the world. This lady, know they use cream, she's still the fresh. She too fine. She too fresh. Most beautiful. Most beautiful. Put your hands together for the bride now. Alright, okay, let's go. Exactly what Messi is doing. Can you guys, I have to go a little bit this way. Go this way. So that it's fun as I had. Good. Sharp. Exactly what you say. Exactly. Don't do your own. Let's go. One time. Come on now. Hey.
Mommy never reach.
Mommy, this is not the time to spread your man. You go love us. Mommy, she don't want you to make a guess. Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the bride and her team. Right now, you guys are the ones leading. Thank you very much. Move back to where you have the ball. All of you. Alright, see. You with your guys. Shift this way. Keep shifting. Team, stay with guys. The same way they we are now, guys. When I just see them do this thing now. Now what? Which song are you guys dancing to? Which song? Do I look like a giver, whatever? Alright? Now, okay, the remix of the Do I Look. They said the remix. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So let me ask us: the bride's team or the groom's team? You guys are not the ladies and gentlemen I'm talking to. I'm talking to the audience. All right, the bride's team or the groom's team? The bride's family is saying the bride. The groom's team is saying the groom. Please, let's be fair and just. The bride's team or the groom's team? All right, put your hands together for them. Did they play them something as I get back to this? So thank you very much. Put your hands together for the bride and groom as they dance to their seats while their friends go out there. Leave her now. Look at her hand. Can you place a beautiful kiss on the hand? Amazing man. Child. Okay, look at romantic. Oh. Can you find her shoulder, the one you will lean on most of the times? Can you place an amazing kiss on the shoulder? Can you find her forehead? Ladies love a lot of forehead kisses. Can you find her forehead? Are you there? Can you put an amazing kiss on the forehead? Amazing one. Oh, Lord God, Lord. Some of you are the marry, you will not marry. You've been dating that girl for the last 10 years. Actually, you are building the relationship. It will be bricklayer. Are you a bricklayer? You are building a relationship for the last 10 years. Is it Dangote cement that you need? We'll help you and buy. Have you kissed on the forehead? Have you? Uh-huh. Find her ear. Her ear, her ear, her ear, her ear. Plus, I'm not to go out. Have you kissed it yet? You see the information I kept saying. I kept on saying this thing here. This is not the time to spray her. I don't know why we are like this. I kept on saying this. Don't spray them now. You can give somebody the money now. If you want to spray, you can give somebody the money. They want it for them. Alright, please, I want to say again, this is not the time to spray the couple. Now, God, I used to beg you. If you want to give them money, come and give it to me. I'll give it to them. Please. Or you give it to them. I did not listen very well. I didn't say 20 this time. I said 100. I want you to find your wife's lips. From 100, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to do it together. From 100 downwards. Until we reach 0, you should not stop doing this thing I want you to do now. Now, Tim, can you go ahead and kiss your wife? Go ahead and kiss your wife. Kiss your wife. Go ahead and kiss your wife. 100. 90, 80, 70, 60, 40, 30. It's okay now. It's okay, Baba. It's okay. It's okay. Together for them. Can we put our hands together for them? What?